Hi, my name is Florian Education and I'll be elaborating on local storage. So let me quickly share my screen. Okay. So we can look at local storage from this angle. Um, when you're browsing, the data that you have in your browser, when you're browsing, it is temporarily stored in there. But with local storage, it can be there even when you close the browser. So with local storage, the data lasts forever, whilst with session storage, that is at the moment as at when you are browsing, the data is there, but would be deleted or would be no more there when the browser is closed. Now, local storage is way better than cookies because it holds more data. It actually holds a data of 5 megabytes. Now, information is never transferred to the server. That means the information stays in the browser. So the next time you open your browser, you would have your data in there. Now, how is it written? Our local storage actually can use this syntax in writing local storage. So you write local storage dot um, whatever item, set item, because you want to set the item in the browser so that it will be there. Then the data that you want to store, the name and the value. Okay, so for example, for age, then the key name will be age and the value will be 33. So local storage set item parenthesis age comma 33 parenthesis close semicolon. Then for session storage, you use session storage set item city resbook. Okay, now for session storage, it wouldn't be there the next time that you open the browser. Okay, so now you can also declare. Okay, now upon declaring it, you are trying to retrieve it. So in order to do that, this is the syntax. So for example, after declaring it, I can retrieve it by using this syntax. So variable age is equal to local storage dot age, or variable age is equal to local storage dot get item into bracket parenthesis age. You can use both the double quote and single quote. It really doesn't make a difference. Now, how can I remove it from my browser if I don't want it anymore? And this is the syntax that I would use. Local storage dot remove item, right, into bracket parenthesis age semicolon. Now this will actually clear all local storage data, so be careful when you are dealing with your code so that you don't delete codes that you don't want out of your local data or your browser. Now, what is stored within the local storage? Now, strings are the only data types that can be stored in the local storage. Okay, you cannot store a JavaScript object. Okay, through the use of JSON, we are also able to convert JavaScript objects into strings. So you can't directly store JavaScript objects, but you have to convert it into strings before you can store it. So in order for me to convert a JavaScript object into string using JavaScript object notation, that's JSON, I use this syntax, so local storage dot place. This one I'm talking about storing a place, right? It's a location. That's why I use dot place. It's equal to JSON dot string if y parenthesis. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now, how to retrieve a JSON string? Just as you can retrieve a normal local storage variable or data from the web browser, we can as well retrieve the string. So first, you create a variable that will convert the string back into the object. So it's just like you are doing the opposite of what we did here. Okay, you just reverse it. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so you just convert it back. So you do that by using this syntax: variable place object is equal to JSON pass into bracket place string. Okay, so you just do this and you get it. Now let's look at some examples in my browser. So in a nutshell, what local storage does is it keeps the data. Now in this example, when you click here, it says click the button to see the counter increase. So the counter will increase. And when you close the browser and open it, where you stopped is where the counter will stop. Okay, so now I have the last time I clicked it was at 26. Now have it at 27. Now let's get it to 30. Now the counter is 30 times. Let's close the browser. Okay, I think I opened it twice. So let's just open it again. Now when I click, it's supposed to go to 31. Okay, so you see it goes to 31. This means that the data, the counter has been saved in the browser even though it was closed. And this is a much more effective way of saving our data and not losing it. Okay, so that's it. If you have any remarks or feedbacks, please do let me know. Thank you for watching.